I would say it's in Las Vegas because I like to rave and I like EDM music. So the Raceway, I think, in Vegas, that's my favorite one.
Oh yeah, the Raceway is super cool. I've
Is
never
it?
been there, but the EDM, the electric music concerts there
Yeah.
go crazy. On
Do
the
they?
racetracks, it's like right in the racetracks, and they have different setups.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
Very cool. Speaking of Vegas, I'm excited to check out the Sphere.
Sphere, yeah,
That
that's
looks
another
neat.
one. Okay, well right now it's time, it's that time of the month to go on the road with Tony Group.
And Mikey is joined with a special guest to check out the newest Nissan Frontier.
Francis, how's it going?
Hey, how's it?
Good to
Welcome.
see you.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, this is Francis, and he's a sales associate here. We're checking out the new Nissan Frontier. What do you love most about this truck?
I mean, at least one, and there's really, the list is long.
Yeah.
The utility is amazing. I hope you're ready for it because when you own a truck, you're kind of the truck guy.
Yeah.
So be prepared. It comes with a lot of responsibility. For me, I'm always being hit up like, hey, I just got this, like, you know, this fridge. Can you come help me with that? Or I gotta throw things away.
Right.
Some of my favorite things that I like about it is, you know, having a truck in Hawaii, we got limited space.
Right.
This has the all-around camera
Okay.
and really helps out with tight parking garages, maneuvering in these smaller stalls that we have in Oahu. I just really like it.
Let's also tell everybody about the truck bed, because like you said, if you have a truck, that means you're kind of the go-to person to help move things around.
Easy, yeah, absolutely. Let me show you some things actually. This is the bed here. About 5.5 foot stand bed.
Okay.
Easy let-down tailgate, which I like. It's not hard at all.
Yeah.
Back here, it's already factory line for you. This system back here is probably the best system out there, I would argue. This utility track system is really robust. The way that these brackets are mounted here and here, you can really strap in any kind of object.
Something that I also want to tell everybody about is the seats, because they kind of really conform to your body. They hug you.
Yes, they do. These are our NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats. They're really comfortable. All my friends that ride with me, they really make a comment about my seats, how nice they are.
I love it. Okay, well, speaking of friends, I actually have a friend that's meeting up with me real soon. Is it okay if I take this bad boy on the road?
Absolutely. Here, enjoy.
Ooh, all right. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go on the road. Thank you so much, brother. Yay! All right, everybody, I'm in the new Nissan Frontier, and I got my girl, PraiseJesus Artis. I'm so happy you're here, friend.
I'm stoked. I love this.
Wait, and this is the first time we've done an interview outside of the studio.
Yeah,
I
that's
love
good.
this. Let's talk about your music career, how it got started, and a little bit about, you know, just, yeah, your inspiration in music.
Oh, okay. So I grew up playing a lot of music with my family. There's 11 kids in my family.
Yeah.
So we all grew up playing music together. I remember personally really falling in love with the piano at a very young age.
I love that.
Sitting next to my dad, just watching him digging. And then there was one time he showed his fingers and he had like these calluses and stuff. And I was just like, I want my fingers to look like that. And he was like, my dad was like, what?
What? Yeah.
And I was like, I want my fingers to look like that. So I would sit there on the piano and just be banging and banging and banging, and then started practicing more and more, like right under him. And I think that's when my first like passion started. And then my Hanai uncle, Steve Primo, one day he came back there and he was tuning the piano. And before he was tuning it, he was hiding behind the wall the entire time.
Okay.
And then he comes out and he's like applauding me. And I was like, huh? And he's like, I'm gonna tell your dad you need to be performing up there with him.
Which is
and I was like,
because this is all just because you wanted your fingers to look a certain way.
yeah.
So, you know, we've interviewed your brothers before, Thunderstorm and Ron. What have they taught you about the music industry that you hold on to very dearly?
Ooh, stay you. It's a cool thing that we just keep reminding ourselves. Stay you, hold on to your beliefs, and don't get all like, over the glam.
Yeah,
and glitz
for
and
sure.
Fame.
You know, let's talk about Hold On To Something. That's a song that we're gonna listen to in just a little bit. What's the inspiration and the story behind that song?
So my first show after my second surgery, I got called to play at a venue. It was a bar. I want people to really have conversations with each other. I want people to really see the meaning in life.
Right.
You have people who do the substances to either dumb themselves down or to like drown out a lot of stuff that's going on in their lives.
Right.
And they think that they can't talk about it. right? And so Hold On to Something is a song that really touches bases on like, hey, sit that down, have a conversation with someone, you know? It's not about competition, it's not about comparing things, but like, when's the last time you sat down and asked someone, hey, how are you doing? And then be an aggressive listener.
I got that. I got that.
Yeah. Another after party. Good girls and good boys chugging beers, hiding fears with glued on smiles and pick-up lines, cause they're too strong to cry. What happened to conversations? Like how you doing and where you been? Then lean on closer, take a seat and listen. Everyone's talking about what they would do if they were in another one's shiny shoes, harboring jealousy over money and things. Hold on to something. Hold on to what you believe in, even when the word is louder. Hold on to something. Hold on to what you believe in, even the world is getting louder. Enough about competition.
Okay, girl, now you having me wanting to cry in this car. Give me some. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so like happy that you are using your voice to make people feel better about themselves and to heal ultimately. We're gonna have more from PraiseJesus Artis in our On the Road segment when we come back after that quick break. Do not go anywhere.
My favorite concert venue is Rose Bowl and SoFi Stadium, where I've seen the K-pop groups BTS and Twice, and soon to be Green Day.
Welcome back to Living 808 and welcome back on the road. I got my girl PraiseJesus Artis in the car with me. Sis, we're checking out the new Nissan Frontier. What do you think of it so far?
Oh, I'll be waiting for it for Christmas.
Yeah. Julie, if you're watching, let's talk about the bucket seats because I feel like I'm so just like tucked in and I could sit on this seat forever.
It's actually very comfortable, dude.
But I gotta say, that's kind of one of the keys that an artist needs to feel before they go on stage, right? They want to be able to be comfortable. They want to be able to like, you know, just be kind of with themselves before they give themselves to everybody. So I gotta ask you, before you go on stage, what are some, you know, techniques or some quote unquote rituals you do before you hit that stage?
Ooh, pray. Pray first. I pray pray for myself, with myself, but ask no vainglory, just all asking to heal people and give God glory, and then I pray with the entire band. Then of course doing all the ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, you know?
How now, brown cow.
Yep, all of that. And then I try to do room temperature water. No dairy, absolutely no dairy.
Why?
Because it coats your throat, right? And like gets you all choked up, so you don't do dairy. And then get extremely nervous. Yeah.
You still get nervous?
Bruh, all the time.
What? You know what? I get nervous when I'm not nervous.
My dad said something to me one time, like I was insanely nervous, and like it happens to me even throughout, like while I'm still on stage, right? It's like it's still nerve-wracking to me.
Right.
And my dad said, when you lose that, that's when you stop doing music, when you stop doing art.
See, I agree.
And I was like, why? He's like, the sensitivity is what people need. It's like if you're not doing that, then you're faking it. He's like, but when you're open and you feel that, he's like, that is something raw people need. And I was like, oh my
That's
goodness.
great advice from your dad. Let's still talk about, you know, the car for a second. The audio system and the speakers.
Legit.
We heard it a little bit with Hold On to Something, but I think we're gonna hear it a little bit more with Honolulu Lights.
Yeah!
Wait, should we get this party started, Fred?
Let's get this party started.
Let's get this party started, Fred.
Yeah, you can turn this one
Hey.
up.
Hey. Hey. How do you? Hey.
Honolulu lights, paradise inside. Can feel my spirit sigh.
Hey, get
There's
into
nothing
it.
like these lights of Honolulu lights. Paradise inside. Can feel my spirit sigh. There's nothing like these sights of Honolulu lights.
I love that. Okay, give me some. That's so fun. I can see that like in a transition between like a movie or something.
Yes,
Yeah.
dude.
Wait, I'm gonna manifest that for you.
Let's go.
I can see people partying to this.
Oh,
Seriously.
man. I was like, I wanted the vibes, like, you know, like that moment you're flying from wherever in the world, and then as soon as you get to Honolulu, like right over, and you see the city lights of Honolulu, I was like, that's what I want this song to like feel
Portray.
like. It's like,
Yeah.
you know, your heart starts basically like, I'm in Hawaii, I'm back home, baby.
I
Let's
love
go.
that. I love that. So fun. Honolulu Lights, you guys have to stay updated because that song is gonna be released soon.
Yes, it is.
Let's talk about real quick the car. We backed up a little bit.
Yes, we
and
did.
we were tripping.
Yo.
We were tripping, you guys. On the camera, the overview of how we could see the car from
That's
above.
crazy epic.
That's like some Big Brother stuff.
Yeah. I was like, wait, what?
I don't-
And the fact that it shows like both things at the same
Side
time.
by side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seriously, I like as if we need enough cameras on us. We have one there, and in the back.
Sure. Wait.
And one
did you see
frying.
Wait. It's to the back of my.
You're so fun, sis. I love you, and I could be talking to you for days.
Oh,
Let's tell
man.
everybody if they wanted to keep up with you, how they can do so.
Okay, so I have Instagram, PraiseJesus Artis. Art is the last name.
Okay.
And then of course Facebook, PraiseJesus C, like the letter C, Artis. And then of course, where is Spotify. Yes, I need Spotify
course,
followers.
of
Duh,
course.
you guys, follow your girl.
There you go. Get those streams up.
Let's go. I think they'll start streaming when Honolulu Lights comes out.
Oh, girl, they have to be.
It's
They
fun.
have to be dancing to that.
Mhm.
Okay, well, thank you so much for coming on. This has
Yeah.
been so fun. I want to do more with you.
Yes.
But
right.
let's end this on kind of a dancing note, if that's cool. So you guys, the next song that we're gonna play for you is called Dance Like No One's Watching.
Yes.
So let's do it because we have all of Hawaii watching us right now.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Everyone is welcome to this party. Now let me see ya dance like no one's watching. Yeah, everyone is welcome to this party. Now let me see ya dance like no one's watching. Yeah, everyone is welcome to this party. Now, baby, watch me dance like no one's watching.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Hey, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Hey, dance it up. Dance it up. Hey. I love you.
You can tell. I love Mikey. I love her. I mean, what a blast. And what a good vibe.
Yeah.
All of her music. It makes you want to dance like that, right?
Such a talented family.
Oh
Her
my
brothers are amazing too.
Totally.
She's awesome. Go ahead and follow her, and you can check out PraiseJesus Artis and the Women of Hawaii at the Blue Note September 30th. Check them out and go get your tickets at BlueNoteHawaii.com for more information.
Definitely. That'll be such an awesome opportunity to catch her, but also a lot of other different artists. So make sure you head on out. All right, well, coming up next.